How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add admin commands in your Roblox game. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually open up your levels right here, or you could just open up one of the templates. In my case, I'm going to be using a best template right here just to show you on how you can do this from scratch. After loading in, you will go ahead and see this toolbox. You can simply search on the creator store, and then you want to simply search for admin. Now you want to go ahead and get the HD admin right here, which is completely free to use. Click on OK, and then it will instantly be imported onto your Explorer. Now you could go ahead and place this to wherever you want to. Maybe you could go ahead and place it really far away or up above the sky. But in here, you just have to click on the settings button, and then we have our rankings right here. You just have to place usernames onto this specific column right here. So as a head admin, I'm going to place this specific user right here, which is going to be this user right here. And then you want to click on the Control S button in order to actually save the settings that we have made, or in some other cases, it will automatically be saved. And if I click on the play button right here, there is going to be the HD admin appearing on this page. And simply right after, you will go ahead and see this HD option right here that allows the specific user to simply add commands. So we have a lot of commands right here that we could use for this specific level. So you could just go ahead and give admin or give access to admin by entering their name. Now, if the username didn't work, you can also try putting their @ So in my case, I've actually put the @ of the user right here, which is going to be this one. And if you want to add multiple admins, you could just separate them with a comma. Enter your second user, and from there, so on and so forth. That's how you basically add an admin onto your level right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.